Okay, so marami akong damit dito na ipapamigay doon sa nakilala ko kahapon na talagang homeless siya. So pinangako kong babalik ako dito sa Walmart. Ayan ang Walmart at bibigyan ko siya ng mga damit. Eto. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back to her because I promised her yesterday I'm gonna give her some clothes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm here at Walmart. Maybe I can buy something else. Siguro fan kasi sobrang kahit malamig sa aircon pero hindi pa rin kaya. Sobrang init, parang pugon. Yun. See, I promise you I'll come back.
So are you gonna hang out with me for a little while?
No, I have to go and do a lot of things. Okay, so I gave her this one yesterday, yan. The cart. And then some clothing, and of course I also have another blanket, okay?
Okay.
And I gave this yesterday,
Yep.
that one.
Yep.
Okay.
I didn't sleep very much at all. I was in pain all night.
Okay, tell me again, what's your name?
Alice.
Alice.
Alice Marie Telfer, 7/27/1974, 105569424.
Okay, and I met you yesterday, right?
Yes.
And what did I give you? I gave you lots,
Yes,
right?
you did, and I have it all here.
Okay, that's
I
good.
threw all that garbage out. That was
Okay,
in
so I got lots of my clothing that I'm not using anymore, so I thought I could just give it to you. Okay? So what can you say to people who are actually mean to you?
there. When people are mean to me, there's nothing I really can do. And one day, I've been through a lot of abuse in Uganda, and I'm still being neglected and
Okay.
surviving it too. It's been 12 days since I was on Las Vegas Boulevard with a lot of stress. I pulled all my hair out.
So how long have you been homeless?
Most of the time I've been in Vegas since February 1st, 2001.
Oh really? From where? Which city?
Utica, New York.
Oh really? So why did you leave your city?
My mother decided to come here and be a travel agent, and my father was a taxi driver for many years.
Oh wow. So they
Now
just
my father
neglected
passed
you?
away.
They just neglected you?
Not my parents, no.
Oh okay. So, but you left them, right?
Yeah.
Was that your decision?
Yes and no.
Oh really?
I'm not really sure of the investigations at all.
Oh okay.
I'm a victim of crime for sure at 100%.
Yeah, I can see that you are
I
also.
got sores all over my
Yeah,
head.
you got all sores in your body and everything, and I told you that I really feel you, okay, because I was also a victim of domestic violence.
Yeah.
That's why I know how it feels, okay, and that's also the reason why I came back. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna go and get something there, and then I have to go and buy my other stuff somewhere
Is
else.
there any way you can help me with some ice and maybe some ice cream or something?
Pardon me?
And maybe some ice cream or something?
Ice cream? Well, I'll see if I can find some ice cream inside later. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'll see you around. Okay?
I'm gonna wait for you. When you come back out, I'm gonna leave.
Okay. All right
Okay.
then. All right. Bye.
Give me a hug.
Okay. Later. Okay. Bye.
And when am I gonna see you again?
Well, I have no idea because I don't always come here. It's 18 minutes away from me. So it's too far away if I have to come here every day.
Jamie and Michael Wilson at Sunset Motel.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'll see you. Okay. Bye.
Okay, I like your outfit.
All right, thank you. I hope you will like also the clothes I gave you, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, bye.
I appreciate you.
Yes, bye-bye. Okay, mukhang mapapasubo na naman ako ngayon. Sabi ko na nga kasi I promised her that I would come back here para mabigyan ko siya ng mga damit. Kasi sabi niya na kailangan daw niya ng mga damit kasi ang dungis-dungis niya, ang dumi-dumi niya. So sabi ko, sige kasi may mga damit na nandun sa cart niya yesterday pero puro talagang madudumi na talaga. Mga luma na. So ayun. Kaya binalikan ko siya. And at the same time, total, nandito na rin lang ako. Titingnan ko kung anong bibilin ko. Gusto daw niya ice cream. Sige. Okay, hanap tayo ng ice cream. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go to the electric fan area kasi centralized kasi yung aircon sa bahay. So pagdating sa sa kwarto, hindi kaya yung sobra init. Grabe. So kailangan maghanap tayo. L4 H F G H L4. Saan kaya ay shit, kailangan may tea. Kailangan maghanap ako ng tea pala yung pag constipated ka, I think. Saan kaya yon? Dito ako nakabili noon yung Sena allergy child cough cold.
Thank you, bro. Thank you very much.
Nutrition wellness.
Okay.
Where can I find the tea?
Tea?
Yes, please.
That's gonna be in the grocery.
I thought it was.
I know we have it over here, but I gotta look it up.
I thought it was here.
That's gonna be.
Oh, it's not here.
Yeah, that's gonna be on. Yeah, that got Slim Loss tea. That's gonna be on A8. That's
A8?
all the way down there.
Okay, so I have to go here first because I need to have some fun.
Oh yes, that's gonna be all the way there.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let's see. I'm not able to find it right here. L4. L3. Ayun. Air filters, air purification, air fresheners. Okay to Okay to. Black. Black ba? Maganda. Black. Ayan, malaki. Siguro okay na yun. Yeah, okay na to. Malaki na rin. Cool colors. Black or blue. Blue or black? Ito na lang, black. Sandali. Meron din pala mga iba dito. Box fan. Parang mas malaki to kailangan talaga yung malaki para magaling ang kanyang pag-ekot-ekot. Okay, I found some ice cream. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang flavor ang gusto niya. Probably strawberry na lang o vanilla. So anyway, yan lang binili ko ngayon. I'm so good. Strawberry ice cream para doon sa humingi. And then original syrup sa akin. At saka yung fan na yan. Kasi sobra para nasa pugon ngayon. Hindi kaya ang centralized aircon sa bahay. So, kailangan meron pa rin talagang pandagdag. Kasi talagang disyerno nga na talaga dito sa Las Vegas. See? I'm doing good. I'm doing great. Diba? Ganyan talaga pag pag tumutulong ka, na-maintain mo yung pagtipid, pagsasave ng pera. Kasi kung wala kang iniisip na ibang tao, kaya iniisip na itulong yung pera mo sa ibang tao, and then wala kang gagawin kundi puro na lang shopping ng shopping. Kaya ganun talaga nangyayari sa akin. Kaya hindi imposible na ikaw ay makapag-save at instead sana na ilakwatsa o kaya gastusin mo ng kung ano-ano pang shopping or whatever. Kasi ako shopaholic ako eh. So mas maganda na lang na itipid na lang para at least kahit pa paano ma-share na lang kung ano yung allowance mo. Lalo sa food or pang lakwatsa. Ganun. Diyos ko, pagdating si chicken, nandito na naman ako. Kabibili ko lang kahapon. Pero kailangan, I have to be disciplined kasi pag puro naman ako chicken, puro gastos, puro pagkain, isipin ko muna kayo mga anak, sa inyo ko na naibigay. Ganun. Sarap po. Sarap. My gosh. Pagdating sa chicken, pero tiisin ko muna. Tiisin ko ngayon mga anak. Sayang ang pera ko eh. Diba? Tiisin ko. Yun, tapos na ang shopping. Tapos na ang shopping. Yan lang ang shopping ko. Wala nang iba. This is, I'm so proud dahil hindi ko na kinailangan talagang mag-shopping na mag-shopping. Okay. Hi! Tingnan ko ng jumpay yung nangailangan ng ice cream. Hindi maandan doon. Doon siya. Ang dami na siyang hiningi sa akin ha. Okay. I got your ice cream.
Thank you. I just met this lady.
Okay.
This is the lady I met yesterday. Her name's Ruby. I forgot your name. Deidre.
Alright. So I got your ice cream. Oops. I didn't know what was the one that you like, but I chose strawberry. That's my favorite.
Thank you. When
You're
can I
welcome.
see you again?
I don't know. I'm
Can
20 minutes.
You think you'll have time tomorrow afternoon?
No.
'Cause I gotta see
I'm
the doctor
20
tomorrow.
minutes away from here, and you know it costs too much gas. Okay. So, but if ever that I will come back,
I want a hug.
no, it's okay. But if ever that I'm gonna be here and then I can see you again, I'll just come back. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye. Mahirap na eh. 'Di ba? Hindi pa hindi pa tapos ang COVID. So hindi naman sa ayaw nating makipag-hug. Mahirap eh, 'di ba? Kasi hindi natin alam kung saan siya galing, tapos kung may COVID siya or whatever, mahirap na, di ba? So, if ever na somebody would ask for a hug, okay tumulong, kaso yung i-take risk natin yung health din natin, mahirap. So, we still have to be careful, lalo na pag mga taong hindi natin kilala at hindi natin alam kung saan sila galing, okay? Yun. Just kahit pa paano. Alright, at least tapos na ang aking Walmart shopping. Nag-shopping ako ulit. I can't believe it. Tapos na.